we are looking at how to pronounce this name. We're gonna be looking at how to say more confusing names pronunciation, including of different names of famous places around France and Paris as well. So how do you pronounce it correctly? Let's start with how Parisians, people in France, pronounce it. Seine. Seine. So it's not Seine, it's not Sienne, it's not Seine, it's Seine. Seine. And now you know. The Seine River. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. I'll see you there, and thanks for watching.